I did not get my nap in. I'll tell you what, I was going to nap, and I just finished up a run. So, we've been doing Jason Greystone, if you haven't heard, he's doing a charity event for the Chestnut Treehouse Children's Hospice in Sussex. And I've got a team, I'm involved. So we're running to raise money for a good cause. So I was thinking about taking a nap, and I said, I can't slack on day one. So I went out there and ran 6 miles, 6 miles. So I'm excited. If you want more information about it, guys, there's a video on my YouTube page. It's on my Facebook page. There's a link and everything. You can find out more about our mission, the cause that we're fighting for. And if you want to support, of course, you can do so there. All support is welcome. Again, it's a very important place for children and their families. But welcome, guys, to another live Forex trading blog. If you're new, my name is Akil Stokes. I'm the Chief Currency Analyst and Head Trading Coach over at TradingPower.com. I'm a full-time trader. I once was in the same position that you guys are in right now. Many of you, some of you are consistently profitable, but a lot of you are also in that struggling phase where you're passionate about trading. You want trading to work, but just can't quite figure it out yet. And today I wanted to talk about knowing what to expect. And I had a very nice email from someone yesterday, and I deleted it yesterday by accident, or deleted it today by accident. But it was a trader that is in our syndicate program. They've been in that program for about a year now, and they just dropped a message saying, "Hey, Akil, just want to say that I love what you and Charles are doing. It's great experience to see kind of the ups and downs, the reality of trading." And that's really the purpose of our syndicate program. It's not to follow trades. For some of you, I know you want to get more eyes on the market, which is good, but it's really to show people what the reality of trading looks like, meaning the day in and day out struggle, the day in and day out battle that is trading, the very, very good, the very, very bad, and the up and down in the middle. And I believe that it's important because before you get into something, especially trading is one of the things you can't go in kind of half behind. You either got to go fully in or be fully out. And I think before you make the decision that you're going to be fully in and really invest your time, invest your money, and really invest your life into trading, it's important that you know what the reality looks like. And there's so many false realities out there. Someone shot me a message today on Facebook. It was a guy from Africa, and he said, "Hey, I just want to ask you. I want to ask you questions. I'm hearing two different things. I've spoken to a lot of professional traders in the States. They're all telling me that, hey, if I can get a 2%, if I can average a 2 to 3% return per month, that I'm doing good. However, I'm hearing from this group over here that they make 20 to 30% a month, and I'm just confused. I don't really know what to expect." And that kind of gave me the idea for this Periscope. For those, and I kind of came in thinking the same way. But for those who come in with those false expectations, reality hits, and it hits really, really fast. And when your expectations are so high and you can't really live up to it, again, 20%, 30% a month on average, when you can't live up to that, you're going to get frustrated, right? You're going to lose confidence. You're going to start making mistakes. You're going to start, feeling bad about yourself, and that's going to hurt your trading. So it's important to know the proper expectations. What is trading? What can I expect as a return? What can I expect my returns to be like as far as every week being good, every month being good, stuff like that? How do the ups and downs look? And Charles has been doing a great job in the syndicate with that. For you guys watching on YouTube, I'm going to upload this to YouTube later. I'm going to throw in a chart, a picture that Charles sent into our syndicate trade floor on Friday, just kind of explaining his drawdown. He talked about, hey, he took a couple hits in the beginning of the week, and in the past, he would have stopped trading. And if he would have stopped trading, he would have been down, I think, 150 pips. But because he trusted himself, because he stuck to the plan, he was able to drag himself out of a drawdown and finish only at a negative 40 pips or something like that. Even this week, I just looked through our trade floor. He shot out and said, hey, first trade, minus 87 pips, right? Minus 87 pips. However, did not get discouraged, fought through it. And today, I think he brought in about 170 pips today. And that's the reality that you guys need to see. Professional traders take losses. Professional traders go through drawdowns. We have really, really rough patches where we just can't find a win. It happens. We're just like you guys. The difference is we're just more consistent. right? So we're consistent enough to stick to our strategy, stick to our plan, and eventually dig ourselves out of that hole. Where a lot of newer traders that don't have that confidence, once they get into that hole, they um, either quit and give up on their system, or they start trying to do a quick fix and they end up going deeper and deeper into the hole. So that was today's blog post, video blog post, whatever you want to call this thing. I did see someone shoot a question about me getting started in Forex. If you want to shoot that in again, I'll answer it for you and anything else. But we're going to keep this thing only about 5 more minutes. But I did see a question shot through earlier. I just didn't have a chance to really read it. So feel free, if you're still here, to type it in again. Then maybe I can take a nap. I've still got more work to do. All right, going once, going twice. Not sure if that trader is still in here. I don't know if you're typing or not. I'm gonna buy you some time. They're different. How do I start reading? Find the book, open it up. Oh, trading. Okay, I was gonna say, dang, I was trying to answer that without seeming like a smart aleck. How do I start trading? I think the best thing you do is learn the basics. I don't think you want to be in any rush to learn how to trade any specific strategy, any specific technique. I think if you're going to be, I guess it depends first and foremost, are you going to be a technical analysis or a fundamental trader? But start with learning the basics. If you're going to be a fundamental trader, start learning what the fundamental economic events are and the impact that they're supposed to have. If you're going to be a technical trader, start with the basics of how to learn to read a price chart. And as Nico just typed in, if you're looking for that, there's a great video on our website, tradeempowered.com. Just click the Learn to Trade tab. It's called Into the Gray. It's about I think a 2.5-hour workshop on how to read a price chart. That's definitely a good place to start, because no matter how you want to trade, whether you're building a mechanical system, whether you're going to trade advanced pattern formations, whether you're going to be a structured trader, momentum trader, trend continuation, CTS trader, you need to know how to read a price chart, because that's going to be the foundation of everything you do. So start with those basics. Don't worry about making money. Just worry about the process. Forex or stocks, either one, it's reading a price chart is the same no matter what. It's the same no matter what. Sorry about that. Nico, I am gonna trade election day. I'm not gonna trade. Well, when the results is what I'm worried about. That's when we're gonna see probably the biggest move. When the results come out, depending on how quick they come out, especially if they come out at a thin time for the market. So I won't be actively trading then anyway. My day trading day will be over. I may have a few swing trading positions on, but I'm not going to avoid the market because of the election. I'm not going to avoid the market because of the election. Do you have a mountain bike or only racing bikes? Only a racing bike. I actually have an indoor trainer coming in a few days or so. So only a road bike. Only a road bike. The day after might be hectic. Yeah, we'll see. It's weird. I think we're in a lose-lose situation, so I don't know if the markets are going to care either way. I think the mood's going to be the same no matter who wins. Probably a little worse if Trump wins, but I don't think anyone wants any of these candidates to win, to be honest with you. So it's probably going to be kind of the next day anyway. So we'll see, though. We'll see. Maybe a bigger impact in the stock market than the Forex market. All right. Do you think it'll be the same scale as Brexit? No, I don't think so. Again, I never know. Feel the burn. I never know. But I don't think so. I think Brexit is a much bigger deal than a presidential election. So we'll see. I don't think so, but again, it's not. One rule about the markets that I've learned in my years of trading is the markets will do whatever they want whenever they want to do it. So I have no idea. I wouldn't anticipate it, but I have no idea. So, all right, guys, I'll see you guys. I'll put this on YouTube if you guys want to rewatch it. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the live room and, of course, in the syndicate. Until then, plan your trade, trade your plan. Take care.